everyone, so today we are going to be making strawberry ice cream and perfect chocolate fudge. So our first recipe comes from a site called Culinary Shades. Thank you so much for putting that out there for us to use. We're going to get started with strawberries, milk, and salt, and we will add the heavy cream later. We are going to do a double recipe because it was a half of everything that you would buy at the store. So we went ahead and doubled it. So we've got a full pound of strawberries, we've got a cup of milk, 2 pinches of salt, and 1 full cup of sugar, and then a pint of heavy whipping cream. Okay. First thing is you blend the strawberries, the sugar, and the milk in a blender.
Strawberries, now the milk. Okay. And then the 2 pinches of salt. Okay. Safety, put your lid on and hold it with your hand. Okay.
We are going to now pour that into a bowl.
Clean it out with my spatula. It smells delicious. Okay.
And it says to just pour in your heavy cream and mix it with a spatula.
And then you're going to refrigerate your mixture for 2 hours before you put it in your ice cream machine. So we'll be back in a little bit. Hi guys, so to go along with our strawberry ice cream, we're making the perfect chocolate fudge recipe. And for the first step in this recipe, you need a large mixing bowl. And in the large mixing bowl, you're going to put 1 cup of butter or 2 sticks. Miss Liz is going to cut them up. And you want to put both types of chocolate chips. So you need 2 types of chocolate chips. You need milk chocolate chips, and then you need semi-sweet chocolate chips. And both of those you need 1 cup and 1 fork. A cup and a fork.
Of each.
Of each, yep. And then also into that bowl, you're going to put a teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay.
So those, once those get mixed up, you're just going to put those in the bowl and set them aside. Okay? And then what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to, in my large saucepan, I have 4 cups of sugar, which is a lot of sugar. We have 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, so that's this. I'm going to add that in. We're going to put that in there. And then we have 2 1/4 cup mini marshmallows. I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to stir that over medium heat until it comes to a boil.
Alright, so once your fudge mixture has turned a nice golden brown, it's boiled for 10 minutes, then you pour it into the chocolate chip butter mixture.
It looks beautiful, and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator until it's completely cool. Because look how hot, it's still jiggly.